In this video, I'll be teaching you how to shoot professional pictures at home with the help of your smartphone, and when you post it on any social media platform, your followers will definitely be impressed and hit that like button. Hi, it's Justpreethesh and I help you guys with fashion, lifestyle and photography through my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and all the links that I'll be mentioning in this video are listed in the description box below. Many people are getting bored of old quarantine photography ideas. So here I am with fresh ideas that will look professional. There are 6 styles of photos that you can shoot at home. Without wasting much time, starting with number 1 is using any material. You can click great pictures like this one. All I did was I brought some reed sticks in between me and the phone's camera. Basically what you need to do is bring an interruption in between the lens, but make sure that the focus is on the main subject and the main subject is you. In this way you can click many great pictures, like having a branch in between, or a leaf, or a stem, or a stick. With these you can shoot through it and you will get the depth of field. If you are using these tricks that I am suggesting you in this video, then make sure to tag me in your pictures on Instagram. These are fresh new ideas that will help you to make your feed look more attractive. Moving on to number 2 is studio portrait shots. If you have a blank wall without any patterns, and if you have a natural sunlight falling on that wall, then you can click some best portrait shots at home, just like in a photo studio. The advantage of the blank wall is that you can change the background's color in the editing process. It's easy to edit white color wall rather than any other color. Stand in front of the wall, click few pictures, make sure you take pictures above your waist so it will look professional and it will make sense that you are going for a portrait shot. Don't forget to mount your phone on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod guys, then make sure to keep your phone still on any object with the support so that you can get the flexibility to pose for your pictures rather than taking selfies. Number 3 is night photography. Now this can be a little challenging guys, because you don't want any grains in your pictures at night. You can use the night mode in your phone's camera, as many people now have a good smartphone which supports night mode. Even if you don't have, then use the pro mode in your smartphone's camera and set the ISO to normal or auto mode, and then increase the shutter speed accordingly. There are many manual camera applications available in the App Store as well as Play Store that you can download, but I would highly recommend open camera. The more higher the shutter speed, the more brighter the picture will come. So make sure that you always test this before shooting these pictures at night, so that you can always remember the suitable shutter speed at night. Most of you have a balcony at home, and night photography over there will look amazing. Number 4 is cloning yourself. Cloning yourself is the best idea to go viral or to impress your audience at this lockdown time. I did that and I shot it in a way that it explains my daily routine of the quarantine or the lockdown time. You can tell your own story like this too guys. I'll show you the picture. This is how it looks. I have made a separate video on this topic in my channel about how I shot and edited this picture. If you have watched this video so far, then make sure to watch this video until the end, because I am about to share a point as a bonus for you guys on how to edit your pictures to get the DSLR effect, and also how to change your background color. Number 5 is play with lights. Have a look at this picture guys. Isn't it amazing? You just have to experiment guys. You can click pictures in a dark room with the help of your smartphone or your fairy lights. Just have to experiment by yourself. Since fairy lights are common, I thought of using my phone's flashlight and the light coming from my logo. I kept the phone's flashlight facing towards my face in a book. This is not new, but this trick can be used as a substitute for fairy lights. You know that there are many photo ideas like the newspaper one, or sticking your face next to a TV with a good background on it. Well, it's common and many people have watched that video. I want you guys to explore with new ideas, just like in this video that I'm suggesting you guys. Now what I mean by that is the blurred background that you get in your pictures from a DSLR camera. Now how can you achieve that? Well, there are many smartphones having portrait mode in their camera, but the intensity of the blur sometimes looks fake. I'll talk about it in detail when I'm telling you the bonus point. For now, let's focus on how to shoot it. Arrange your props in front of your camera in a table, and I have chosen this table under a night lamp. As you can see, it's so moody right now. Well, that is because of the light coming from the night lamp. So make sure that you always click in front of a night lamp and the night lamp's light should fall on your face. Number 7 is shooting in the golden hour. If you are a goddamn hardcore selfie lover, then make sure that you stand in front of a window during the sunset and take a good picture. But note that the sun is not too bright, otherwise you will get some overexposed shots. Golden hour pictures usually needs a basic editing to maintain the theme of your feed that you're running out in your Instagram. Otherwise, it's just a ready to post picture, just like a ready to eat meal. That's it, these were the photo ideas. Now, as I promised in the beginning of the video that I'll be sharing you a bonus point, so here it is. So once you have shot your pictures, it's time to put some magic on your portrait shots, and that is the DSLR blur. Download and open PicsArt app. This is for free. Import your photo and go to FX option, then choose blur and then select normal blur. If you don't want a bokeh effect, then choose a normal blur. Otherwise, you can go for a lens blur. See, many people do this mistake. They increase the intensity of blur and post it. That's when people don't like your pictures. You gotta understand how much blur does a DSLR camera has. Take a photo and compare it beside if you want, and then blur it out. Otherwise, always stick to 10 to 16%. Now, changing the background color is very easy. Go to colors in the FX option and then choose colorize. Click the eraser and choose the background. That's it. Now you can change your background's color as per your choice. Now, if you are looking for more photo ideas and fashion content, then follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.